Hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So onto this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get to add your home address onto your Google account or Gmail account. How can you get to add your home address? So onto this video, let's get to do it so that you get to see how it's done. So over here onto the Google application, onto its home page, tap onto your profile picture in the top right corner. Then once you're done doing that, get to tap on manage your Google account. Tap on manage your Google account. Then over here, you're gonna tap on where you see personal info. Get to tap on personal info. Then you're gonna scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down to where you see home. So over here, I added my home address already. So you can even get to edit it. So you can get to type it out very well, and it's added onto your Google account. So that's how you can basically get to add your home address onto your Google account. Yeah, that's it.